Do you have iron deficiency anemia? Here is what you need to know about its treatment. One way to manage your iron deficiency anemia is to increase your intake of iron-rich foods. Lean meats, poultry, fish, beans, lentils, and leafy green vegetables are excellent sources of iron. You should consume these foods with citrus fruits such as oranges and lemons, as they are rich in vitamin C and help increase iron absorption from your gut. Iron supplements, these are given when dietary changes cannot correct your anemia. They come in various forms, such as ferrous sulfate, gluconate, or fumarate. The typical dose is between 80 to 200 milligrams of elemental iron per day. Follow the prescribed dose and schedule to avoid potential side effects like constipation, diarrhea, stomachache, or heartburn. When you cannot take oral iron pills, your doctor can provide an iron supplement through your veins. This is a more rapid way of correcting your deficiency, but it may cause an allergic reaction. I hope this was helpful. Follow a healthy info for more.